Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop here at Flat 6 Motorsports. If you have an air suspension equipped Macan, we're going to show you how to fine tune your ride height. Let's get into it. So the Porsche Macan with air suspension does a good job of keeping your suspension where it needs to be, and you have some adjustability. Whether you're going off-road, you can raise it up. If you want a little bit lower for performance driving, you can do that, but it does have some limitations. We've developed here at Flat 6 Motorsports these adjustable lowering links, so that way you can fine-tune that ride height. So if you want to go a little bit lower, a little bit higher, you can go ahead and do that. So today we're going to show you how to put those on. It's very quick and easy, and it's a great modification. Okay, so now that we have the Macan up on the lift, we basically just pulled the wheel off here so we can show you easily how these links come off. If you're doing this at home, you can use a jack with jack stands to pull the wheel off, and it'll give you a lot easier access. You can do it on the ground if you put the vehicle in off-road mode. It'll be a little more difficult, but it can be done. I also highly recommend using a forked pry tool. It's a lot easier to use than a screwdriver, and will just prevent you from causing damage to the sensor. All right, as you can see, we have the link right here connected to the level sensor on the top here, and then a hard mount on the lower control arm down here. Basically, you want to take your forked pry tool and just kind of insert it in between the lowering link, or excuse me, the link of the suspension itself, and just gently pry it off. It might take a little bit of effort to do. This one does not want to go. There we go. And then we'll do the same for the bottom mount. Like so. Okay, so now we have our factory links off. We now have our new links ready to go. We've adjusted them to give us approximately a 2-inch drop. So we're gonna go ahead and clip those back on. Make sure you have your forked pry tool, and that'll help you with the installation. So the front link is going to be installed in the very similar fashion as the rear link. We've adjusted these as well to give the vehicle a 2-inch drop. And there you have it, an easy way to lower your Macan. Got over 1.25 inches lower just in normal mode, and there's even a low level mode if you want to go even further. If you want to get kit for yourself or any other performance mods, check us out on flat6.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you press that notification bell for more videos from us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.